Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning. Let's start solving today's question. Show the patient ID and the total number of admissions for patient ID 579. So select from admission. So we need to extract patient ID. So and then they are saying where patient ID should be 579, right? 579, yes. And then they are asking about how many number of times that this patient who is having 579 ID admitted in the hospital. So what we can do here? So we can count, right? We can count. So how many times this patient ID was there in the admission list? So we can count of star. So you may wonder that count of star means the total number of rows you'll be getting. So here as we are filtering with the patient 579 with the patient ID 579, so we'll be getting only the total number of times the patient who is having 579 is admitted. Okay, so as usual, as number of times admitted. So let's run. We got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.